Would you guess this woman's age? Prepare to be shocked. She's 92 years old. What's the secret behind her vampire-like agelessness? Let's find out. Meet Dr. Lee Gil-yeo, South Korea's legendary ageless wonder. Looking at her daily routine, I was surprised to find many similarities with habits I've built over years. Now you might think, well, she's unmarried, so she has time, but trust me, these routines are more doable than you'd expect. Let's break down Dr. Lee's anti-aging secrets. First, movement as lifestyle, not exercise. Morning yoga, stretching and walks, rotating wrists and ankles while watching TV. Focused thigh muscle training, even water walking in heated pools. The key? Exercise isn't something separate from life. It's conscious movement woven into your daily routine. Dr. Lee reportedly keeps moving even inside her car. Second, sleep and hydration, the true fundamentals. Bedtime at 11 p.m., wake up at 7 a.m. Minimum 1.5 liters of water daily. Regular enjoyment of cassia tea, barley tea, corn tea. Both water and sleep, non-negotiable basics. Third, mental fitness. Youth begins in the mind. Daily newspaper reading, active communication with younger generations, continuous learning and maintaining a positive mindset. Remember, an aging mind is far more dangerous than an aging body. Fourth, skin and appearance. No secrets here. Consistent laser treatments for a decade. Balanced diet, hydration, and stress management. Genetics play a role, but lifestyle habits are the real foundation. The bottom line? External beauty survives only when you nurture from within. To quote Drive, Lee, her self-health isn't about short-term results, but lifelong habits. The secret is simply maintaining ordinary disciplines consistently. Persistence, simplicity, fundamentals, basic routines. They may seem boring, but that's where the real magic happens. Starting today, let's commit to just one small thing. Every day, little by little. That's how we build semi-permanent habits. In this age of slow aging, why not live healthily with a youthful appearance? And if you can't follow all these routines just yet, here's a shortcut. Try our medical-grade Chitosan mask. One simple step to deliver the protective benefits your skin craves. Because sometimes, even ageless wonders need a little help from Korean skincare innovation.